2016 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.